In this video, we are going to analyse Blue Apron, ticker APRN. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels? And as of right now, our closest two resistance levels is at 690 and 750. So these will be the key focus. We can see we have tested this level multiple times in the near past, and each time we have failed coming into it. So it wouldn't be unlikely to see that again, but do obviously pay attention to these levels, because what you may see is a break above these levels. And really what we don't mean just a straight breakout. We want to see a break above it, come back to retest it, and if this level holds with buying pressure coming in, then more than likely you will make it to that next resistance, which in this case would be $8.40. And if we break that, we're then looking at $9.75, $10, and a final level at $12. So again, obviously we're at 6, our final level at 12. Are we going to increase by 100%? Maybe not. But really the key focus with these levels is it doesn't matter if we don't hit those upper levels. All you need to pay attention to is if we break a level, do we come back to retest it? If so, does buying pressure come in? If so, that is our confirmation that the level has held, and we would expect to push to that next deviation. So that's all we would be paying attention to the upside. Now on the downside of things, what would we be paying attention to as support or potential short levels, depending on how you trade? And at 540 and 515, we do have our first deviation of both the 6-month and the daily. So this is a potential support level if we start to fall, but is also a potential short level if you're a short bias trader. Now, how would you trade this short? Again, you don't just short as it breaks this level. You would wait for a break below, come back to retest, and if you see selling pressure kick in, then more than likely you make it to the next level, which in this case would be around $3.85. If we break that, we're looking at $2.85, and final level is taking us down to $2.33.80 and a final level at 60 cents. So that is the breakdown on APRN. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.